It's back on Brad's 62 Chevy. Took the mechanical pump that was on the car off, and it had old fuel in it still. And I mean, we don't have any old fuel anywhere in the car now, except here. And all of the sediment and shit came out. So I'm sure this is nicely plugged up. So we're gonna go take this and tear it down. We do have a new one. We have a new Delphi we're gonna put on. But I need to get these fittings for the Delphi, but I wanna clean everything. So while we're at it, I'm just gonna check out everything. All right, so I've cranked it. Got fuel up to the carb, finally. Finally. Took about a minute and a half. It's alive! It's alive! Hooray! I love it when they live. That's fun. Hot damn. It took forever to get it to prime. It runs like a top. I am impressed. Mechanical pump. Look at all the sediment and crud and just yuck that's in there. It's all over the rubber. It's all over everything. That check valve looks a little blown out too. Look at that, the diaphragm's bad. The inlet side, that explains a lot. Can't suck when it's all jacked up.